And go for it.
So here we have the kind of Sensation XE, which is kind of an upgrade from our original Sensation that we launched recently. And the Sensation XE is kind of as adding the Beats experience to the device. And if you just look at it first off in terms of the cosmetics, the colour, material, we've added red accents on the keys, as well as red accents on the speaker grill at the top. And that continues on the back as well. So you've got red accents around the camera lens and of course the Beats audio logo that kind of signifies the Beats limited edition of the device. So that's the cosmetic upgrades. In terms of the actual hardware itself, in terms of the internals of the phone, it's an increased CPU. So it's a 1.5 gigahertz dual-core processor compared to the 1.2 gigahertz dual-core processor of the Sensation. And it also has a larger battery, a 1750 milliampere battery compared to the 1500 milliampere battery of the Sensation as well, to allow you to experience the music kind of from far greater and far longer. So they're the core kind of hardware changes on the device, but the difference in terms of the software on the device, what you don't see here is the Beats audio wallpaper, which will be shipping on the device as well. But we have integrated Beats profiles into the handset to allow you to experience the music kind of in far greater detail as the artist intended. And in the box comes some Your Beats headphones, which are kind of, again, with the red accents, as you can see, and they're in-ear bud headphones, kind of, and a red wire to go with the device. And these, we've been working with Beats to specially tune the audio profiles when using these headphones to give a far greater kind of experience on the music. It detects that these headphones have been inserted into the device, and it doesn't warn the user at the moment. However, if you go into something like the music application and you play a song with the music headphones integrated, you can see the Beats audio comes at the top. It's currently disabled because I've been doing demonstrations on it, but I've just enabled it, and now I have the Beats audio profile. And listening to that device, you really hear the difference, kind of enabling and disabling. So you really hear the equalizers kind of sound profile being enabled on that, and kind of giving you kind of the full-on music experience kind of into your ear. And as these are in bud ear, kind of it cuts out all the music surrounding and just really gives you the music the way the artist intended. The kind of, it's not just with the Beats headphones that come in the box that we've kind of worked with. If you insert any headphones, it will give you a generic Beats profile, which we believe will enhance the experience. Obviously not as good, we don't believe as good as the audio profile kind of with the in-box headphones, but we'll be adding more profiles for more of the Beats range as we go forward in the life cycle of the product. But kind of, you will be able to, kind of with a normal pair of headphones, be able to activate a Beats profile, generic Beats profile, or even an SRS profile that will give you an enhanced music experience on the device. So really kind of having an overall music kind of experience on this device. With our sync software, you can obviously synchronize with iTunes directly to your music to the device, allowing you to kind of copy your playlists, etc., straight over to the device. And it has an onboard 16 gigabyte SD card in the box to allow you to kind of copy all your songs straight to the device. So this is the Sensation XE with the Beats audio kind of enhancements.